Okay, so today's May 11th, 2021. This is Noah Hackworth, President and Operator of Hackworth Vacuums here. And today we're going to be testing the Hoover Encore Plus attached tools 2-speed quick broom. And then we're going to, against a Bissell 3-in-1 vac that I have. So we're going to be starting with the Hoover. I just vacuumed the garage closet. It has cat litter in it because Beamer's litter box is in there. So that's all in there. So anyways, we're going to start it on high speed. Here, let me turn this to a rug. The Bissell does not have something like that right there. It's just plain. Bissell. Hoover. Is that mold? Worried about later. Alright, so anyways, we're going to start. So here we go. That did pretty good. Alright, so now it's time for the Bissell. Alright, so I think the Hoover did a lot better than the Bissell did, because the Bissell steams pretty stiff and the Hoover has that little brush on the bottom. So anyways, that does it for the video. Please comment if you have any more questions.